Thank you for visiting us. Conservation, education, and preservation is our goal, so that future generations can benefit from the amazing gifts that the rainforest holds. Now, let's get to the root of why you are here. By visiting us today, you are protecting that future. You hold the key to saving the rainforest, one butterfly at a time.
As you enjoy your time here at the Butterfly Palace, we hope that you will take time to
Gotta leave me alone. And then we have sanitizer over there, so if you do touch them, just make sure you wash your hands, okay? Would you guys like to make tea? No, it's fine. I'll stay away, I promise.
And yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just 2 fingers down his back.
Hey there, Keith. Nice to meet you. So it's a skink?
Yes, a blue-tongued skink. He's from Australia and New Guinea. He hangs out in the dirt and hides himself, and then we'll poke his little head up. Then he looks like a snake.
All right, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. And since you did touch him, just make sure you wash your hands, okay?
All right,
I have
will do.
sanitizer right over here.
She actually just took this guy out, so he is being handled out there with an encounter. So
Okay.
if you look too hard, you'll never find.
There's the alligator lizard.
The temp is smaller, so the humidity is
Oh, look at the topic. You gotta go back.
Okay, gecko.
This one's not in here right now. We have one of our staff. So we can you could have looked and looked and you have never found one.
Pac-Man frog. It's shaped kind of like Pac-Man, I guess. Major skink. Okay, it's a red-footed tortoise. Cuban false chameleon. They're actually a type of anoles. Giant leaf-tailed gecko. Sticking to the glass right there. Tree frog. Where are you, tree frog?
How are you guys?
Come over here.
There's a turtle.
No, they like to live in groups, so they are.
Okay, African fire skink. And he might be burrowing or something. I can't see anything in there. Right. Here's some poison dart frogs. I can't find any of them right now. Wait, yes. Here we go. There's a blue one right there. Chinese water dragon. And there he is, right in front of us. Hey, water dragon. And that's the whole place.